For reading and writing today, we are reading the two books, Duck on a Bike by David Shannon. David Shannon is the author of the David books that a lot of you love, and Bicycle Safety by Lisa Harrington. So when you click on one of the titles and you go to Bookflix, if it doesn't directly take you there and you get to the login page and you're not sure of the login, remember that right here in the assignment, there is a slide called Reading Instruction Slide number 2, and it has the username and the password just in case you need it. So once you get here, you're going to watch the story Duck on a Bike, and then you are going to read the book, Bicycle Safety, and then do the activities under Puzzlers, so word match, fact or fiction, and which came first, and then dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you're done, go back to your writing slide and write about what you read. So write about something you found interesting. Your sentence starter is I notice. So you would type in I notice and then finish the sentence with a period. And then you're going to write about something that you wondered, a question that you had. So you would start your sentence or your question with I wonder. So I wonder. And then finish it with a question mark. And last, you're going to write about a connection that you made as you read. So your sentence starter would be, this book reminds me of. So you would type that in, this book reminds me of, and then put a period at the end. When you're done, read your writing, check and make sure it's your best, and then press the X and the blue turn in button. Don't forget to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes, and then practice your reading.